How's it going, everyone? It's Peter here, also known as AP, and I'd like to welcome you to this week's Lego build. And this week is my personal shout out and appreciation to all search and rescue team workers around the world. And this Lego set inside this box is a light and sound rescue helicopter, as it says on there. It's even got the number 6482, and I've got this one pre-owned, obviously being from 1991. It's a vintage unit, and as you know by now, I do love to cover Lego sets from past and present. So we'll get this rather seen better days box out the way, so it's all nicely and individually bagged. We've got the instructions and all that there. Reference number, just like it says on the box, is 6482, and we've got a battery box, so we're going to need a magic, well, not really magic, but you know, got to put a bit of fun into it, haven't we? You know, this is a 9-volt battery, and you will need one of these for the lights and sound, because that's what this one has, as you probably saw in the instructions. And I like the fact that everything is nice and individually bagged, so all the main parts and everything is in here. And at the time I recorded this video, this came to me fresh in the mail today, so that's why it's in that parcel box. So I like the fact that it's nice and individually boxed. So okay, because we've got two bags here, we've got the battery and everything there. We will do a time-lapse build. I'll have this all unpacked for the time-lapse build, or at least the instructions anyway, and we can get started on the fun part, of which you all love the most. You know, I know you guys love these time-lapse builds. I love to read your comments. I do respond to yous and all that. So let's get to it, and I will speak to you all at the end of the video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the time-lapse build with some upbeat music, because that's normally how I do it, and I'll catch you all at the end. we have it. This is the Lego 6482 search and rescue helicopter, all done. And this is my tribute and shout out, as well as a mark of respect to all search and rescue teams around the world that do a fantastic job of saving people that where things like failed boats and stuff happen, or even saving people that have fallen overboard from ferries and cruise ships and all that. That's what these guys actually do, and they help us out in our times of need. So to all you great folks out there that help us and save us and rescue us and all that, I want to personally thank each and every one of you for your service and for helping the communities and that around the world. And to all the rest of you here that are watching this video, and this one is video number 3 to come of October, as next week's, that will be the final one of this month of October, will be my tribute to all Coast Guard workers. But anyway, we're not quite finished. As you know, this one does have flashing lights, so we've got red and green, so port and starboard lights, kind of the same principles of what applies to boats and stuff. I'm just making sure these rear wheels are staying straight because they can steer by themselves, and it's a bit tight to get my big fingers in here, but for a youngster this would be lots of fun. It's a 1991 set, and just like I mentioned at the start of the video, if you want to grab a pen and paper, reference number is 6482, and this one has the lights and sound system, although it's a bit different to what you might have heard on past Lego builds that I've done, as this one has more of a space sound effect. So if you turn the dial this way, you kind of got that whir 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 noise, and if you turn it this way, which I do believe this is the same siren set as used on the Lego space stuff, so you got that kind of a interesting siren, although it would pass for a car alarm in terms of Lego builds and stuff if you wanted it for such things, but it is interesting. And I haven't built this one before, but it's a great set from 1991, and I just can't resist spinning these rotors around. Great fun to have, and I've absolutely loved building this one. And if you're still here at the end of this build and you're still with me, I want to thank you for all your support and for watching the video all the way through to the end. It really means a lot to me, folks. And just to demonstrate some of the features that you've probably seen during the time lapse, to access the controls and that, you just open this door here. And what I like about this particular helicopter is that once you clip this bit off the bottom, which is the lock, so you can unlock it by, gosh, I don't want to let go now, does it? Come on. I'm trying to unlock the doors here. There we go. Bit stubborn, but that's how it is. And we can just flip these round, and you can get the casualty or the patient, whatever, out of the stretcher like so, and he just slots in the back there. And generally speaking, you get 3 Lego minifigures that comes with this set, obviously. And I will put the part amount number, the number of pieces that comes with this set, in the description below, just to help you make your decisions should you decide to get one of these. Highly recommend that you do so. At least give it once, at least give it a challenge. Well, at least challenge yourself just once at building this. It's great fun, folks, okay? And that, my friends, concludes this week's Lego build. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll lock these doors back up so we don't lose anything, and we'll call it quits there. Anyway, right. It's time to draw this video to a close because I've been talking for a bit now. And I'm sure many of you have got other things to do, and I will let you all go. I just want to say Oops, I'm just trying to straighten up these casters. It's just my perfectionist approach on these kind of things. I just like things to look just right for the videos and stuff. But anyway, okay, enough of my chit chat. I'm going to let you guys all go now. And I want to wish each and every one of you a fantastic week, day, weekend, whatever the time it is that you watch this video. And I'd like to say a big thank you once again for all your love and support and your feedback and that. If you liked the video, you enjoyed this week's build, as well as a mark of respect to all search and rescue workers around the world, then please give this video a lots of likes and a thumbs up, because these guys deserve a lot of respect for the work they do. And this is my tribute video to all essential service workers out there that look after us when we're in trouble and keep us safe, and even save and rescue us in our times of need. And for that, I want to give all those great folks that do this for us a very heartwarming felt thank you. And please keep up the great work. And to the rest of you great folks out there, I'm Peter, also known as AP, signing out. Have a fantastic, blessed day. Keep on doing the things you love. Stay positive, and I will speak to all of you again in next week's Lego build, which will be a Coast Guard boat from 1996. And that will end this month of October on a positive note. And I've also got some more fun Lego builds coming up in November as well. Take care, everyone. Keep on building Lego. Keep smiling. And I will see you in next week's build. Take care, everyone. And thank you for watching.